Hello guys, Demi from CJdropshipping. Now I am on a train heading to Ningbo to have a factory tour and find out how they produce custom moon lamp, which is a hot selling product for recent years. It's our first time to have a factory tour, so I'm so excited about it because I don't know how this video will be like. But I do really hope you guys will like this video, and please smash a like to show you love us if you want to see more videos like this. And we're looking forward to hearing from you guys what factory you would like to see in the next video. So just leave a comment below to let us hear you. Enjoy the tour. Now we arrived at Ningbo station and we are waiting for the guy from the factory picking us up. So let's go on the fun thing. Let's go. It takes about 30 minutes to get the factory. Now we're at the moon lamp factory, and this factory not only makes moon lamps but also starry sky projector, fuel saver, and humidifiers. And all these products are hot selling products. And if you get time after today, I'll show you how they're made. Now let's begin today's tour. The first step of the process is to do the pattern design. Since it's print a demand product, so they need to check and adjust the patterns, make them perfect on moon lamps. This is 3D printer, and this machine is one set is about hundreds of dollars for a set, and here we got about more than 400 sets. That is a large number of investment. And if you are interested in 3D printing, maybe you can get one set for yourself, because I can not only print moon lamp cover, but also you can print like many other crafts. This is a big 3D printer to make a big sized moon lamp cover. It takes 2 to 3 hours to print a big sized moon lamp. So this printer can only make 4 to 5 pieces of lamp covers per day. This insole is also printed by the 3D printer. It's really cool, amazing. 王老板，这个的鞋垫的话，它做 3D 打印的话，它有什么优点
？3D 打印全部都个性化定制，大大小小，然后主要是透气，比如脚气啊也是不容易出来。然后你看它有镂空的，全部都镂空的。你看到的是我们实际上做出来，我们传统的都是密封型，对，它容易臭啊，这种防臭、漏气嘛，脚气啊都不容易有。然后这手感都比较柔软，对不对？柔软性更加好，比布的柔软性更加好。这是不是说这个是新出来的新产品？对对，这是未来的趋势。趋势。其实我们呢穿的鞋垫，对不对？这个都是3D 打印的，这些全部都是3D 打印。然后它应该它穿上去非常舒适，很软，很软，这样会反弹的，脚也会反弹，效果非常好。这都是未来以后的趋势。对，高科技产品啊 ，high tech product。This is the material to make the moon lamp cover, and the next step we'll see how this thick white coils is made. Now let's go. These machines, like spinners, are making the printing supplies. The production capacity is quite impressive, so they need not work every day. This is the rack airing the moon lamp covers. These lamps have been assembled. This girl is polishing lamp covers. The next step is to assemble the moon lamp. These components are the secret to making moon lamps shining, and if you want more functions like playing music or touch control, just add more components. In the next video, we will show you how these components are manufactured. This is the original packaging, not a custom packaging.
packaging, but these are all English version. Yeah, this is another version of the custom packaging. Yes, every customer can customize his or her own custom packaging. Look, here's the showcase of different sizes of the moon lamps. Like, look, this one is about the smallest size. It's custom product. Okay. And here are 8 planets in the solar system. Look, it's Earth, Mars, Jupiter. Yeah. And here is a Jupiter lamp. It is not only a lamp, but it is also a humidifier. Look at these 2 big monsters. They're also moon lamps, but these 2 are not the biggest size. The biggest size is about this big.
The Bluetooth pair successfully.
That would be the end of today's factory tour. It was quite fun and eye-opening. How do you guys like this video? Leave a comment below. And if you want to see more videos like this, just smash like and subscribe to CJ Dropshipping for more coming videos. In the next video, I will show you how the Starry Sky projector will be made. See you soon at the next video. Bye!